The OMBAR Dash Cam 5G Wi-Fi provides comprehensive surveillance with its 3-channel recording system, capturing the front, rear, and inside of your car in high resolution. You can customize the recording settings with the dual dash camera feature, offering flexible resolution options such as 4K, 2K, and 1080p for different camera angles. Equipped with infrared night vision, the cabin camera ensures clear recording of activities inside the vehicle, even in complete darkness, automatically adjusting exposure in low light conditions. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS allow you to control the dash cam via a free app, download and share videos easily, and keep track of your driving route and speed. With the included 64GB TF card and reliable loop recording, the dash cam ensures that no crucial evidence is lost, while the G sensor locks important files in case of a collision. The dash cam offers 2 parking modes for round-the-clock protection, including a time-lapse mode and a collision detection mode, providing additional security when your car is parked.